Why do volcanoes erupt? Have you ever stared at a volcano, tall, quiet, sleeping under the sky, and wondered what's going on inside? It might look calm on the outside, but beneath the surface, the Earth is alive. It breathes, it shifts, it builds up pressure until one day, it explodes. Volcanoes aren't just mountains, they are windows into the Earth's deepest secrets. And to understand why they erupt, we have to go deep, far below the ground we stand on. The Earth, though it seems solid, is actually layered like an onion. On the outside, we have the crust. That's the land and ocean floor we live on. Below that is the mantle, a thick layer of hot, soft rock that slowly moves. And even deeper is the core, burning hot, made of metal like the Earth's engine. The movement of these layers is what causes earthquakes, continents to drift, and yes, volcanoes to erupt. Because the Earth's crust is broken into huge plates that float on the mantle, they are always in motion. Sometimes they crash into each other. Sometimes they pull apart. And when that happens, magma, molten rock from deep inside, can find a way to rise up through cracks. When enough magma builds up in a chamber beneath a volcano, the pressure becomes too great. And like a shaken soda can that bursts open, the volcano erupts. But not all eruptions are the same. Some are slow, oozing rivers of lava that light up the sky but move gently. Others are violent and deadly, blasting ash and gas miles into the air, shaking the ground, and changing the world in seconds. What makes the difference? It all depends on the type of magma, the amount of gas trapped inside it, and the shape of the volcano. Thick, sticky magma traps more gas and leads to explosive eruptions. Runny, thin magma lets gas escape and flows more calmly. Volcanoes can form in many places, especially along the edges of tectonic plates. That's why places like the Pacific Ring of Fire, stretching from Japan to Indonesia to the west coast of the Americas, are filled with active volcanoes. But some volcanoes don't need plate edges. They sit on hot spots, special zones where extra hot magma rises straight from the deep mantle. That's how the Hawaiian Islands were born, one eruption at a time. Even though eruptions can bring destruction, they also bring life. Volcanic ash enriches the soil. New land rises from lava flows. Entire ecosystems are reborn from the fire. And for thousands of years, humans have lived near volcanoes, drawn by the fertile land and the mystery of these mighty mountains. We fear them, yet we are fascinated by them, because they remind us that this planet is not still. It is alive, breathing, changing. So why do volcanoes erupt? Because deep inside the Earth, heat builds, pressure rises, and the crust cannot hold it forever. It's nature's way of releasing energy. It's the planet speaking in fire. And each eruption, no matter how small or massive, tells the story of a living world beneath our feet. In the end, volcanoes are not just natural disasters. They are part of Earth's heartbeat. Their eruptions shape mountains, form islands, change climates, and remind us how powerful and fragile our planet truly is. And the more we understand them, the better we can protect ourselves, and the better we can stand in awe of the incredible planet we call home.